Hi there, Ethan. Let me share with you a story which I just have experienced the other day. On last Saturday, my wife and I we went to a coffee shop and we overheard a story. There are two students, one male and one female. They are talking about, dropping school. The boy said that the knowledge that he acquired at school is useless to him and he was thinking of quitting it. The girl surprisingly agreed with the boy and she encouraged the boy to do that, to drop school because Bill Gates, he didn't finish his school but he turned out to be the fourth richest man ever. Fair point. A lot of people nowadays, they graduated from prestige school but, become jobless. So, we shouldn't learn, should we? Not necessarily. Bill Gates dropped school when he just finished his second year. But then you should remember a very fact that his mother is the CEO of a very, 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 very big company, which was founded by his grandfather. And also Microsoft big co-founders is his mom. Thus, I don't think quitting school before you graduated is a good idea. Except when you have, first, a lot of money, or second, powerful relatives. There's a saying in Vietnamese which can be literally translated into English as, if you was born in an affluent family, you will become affluent. Hold on, what's affluent? Well, affluent is a word that we're gonna study today, and it's relating to money. Now, the word that we are studying is affluent. Affluent. The British pronunciation of this word is, relatively same as that in American pronunciation. Let's hear American pronunciation.
Affluent.
Now, British pronunciation.
Affluent.
Alright, again, affluent. A-F-F-L-U-E-N-T. Affluent. Now, affluent means having plenty of money, nice houses, expensive things, etc., etc. In a nutshell, you can think affluent as a formal word for wealthy or rich. Is it enough? So whenever you want to talk about rich and you want to make it formal, then you better use the word affluent instead of rich or wealthy. Consumer goods are a symbol of prestige in an affluent society. We drove through affluent suburbs with large houses. Well, to apply the word affluent in IELTS is not very difficult since affluence means, rich. And rich is a word that we usually use in daily conversation, right? IELTS is not an exception. Now, to use it in the IELTS test, I suggest, use it to replace for the word rich, since the meaning of the two words are relatively, the same. Let me give you an example. Instead of saying being rich, I will say affluence, the noun of affluent, by the way. Affluence can have a great influence on people. I will give you another example using the word affluence in IELTS writing task 1. The average expenditure improved significantly, indicating the increasing affluence in the area. Alright, this is an example in the IELTS writing task 1. And that is the word today. Even though it's formal, it's quite easy. Affluent. And it means, same meaning with wealthy or rich. I give you some example, and in order to using the IELTS test, just remember whenever you want to use the word rich, try to replace it with the word affluent. And the noun of affluent is affluence. Alright, that is the word affluent that I wanted to deliver to you guys. I hope that you understand the word completely and you can apply it in formal situation. Alright, if you pay attention to the time, this is Monday and this is the first word of the second week of the Project Fancy. The reason why I want to put the word affluent in this video is because, obviously, I want you to become rich and have, great living standard. And one of the easiest ways to find out the affluence that you want to have is through studying. It did occur to me that English happened to be a very useful conduit that helps us to access to different sources of knowledge. So thank you for watching, and please keep watching to improve your life.